Hello, my name is Nicolas. I am going to talk about farm animals. Goat. A goat is a farm animal with two small curved horns. A goat gives us milk, wool, and meat. A dog is a four-legged animal. It has long tail and ears. A dog gives us protection and company. Sheep. A sheep is farm animal with a thick, woolly coat. A sheep gives us wool and meat. Turkey. A turkey is a big bird that looks a bit like a good chicken. A turkey gives us meat. Horse. A horse is a large animal with hooves, long nose and tail. A horse gives us the ability to pull wagons and carts. Goose. A goose is a large bird with webbed feet. A goose gives us feathers. Pig. A pig is an animal with a curly tail and a flat snout. A pig gives us meat and like pigs. Hen. A hen is a small two-legged female bird. A hen gives us eggs and meat. Bull. A bull is a large and has horns. A bull gives us meat and leather. Donkey. A donkey is related to the horse but smaller and with long ears. A donkey gives us ability to carry on heavy objects and to ride them. Thank you.